in here. Experience Japan through candy. Oh, look what's within. Look at all these goodies. Wow, I can't wait to dig in. Ooh. And there is the Japan crate symbol. All right, so let's see what's in here. First and foremost, this is the little card that came with the September 2018 Japan crate box. It says happy 4 years, so apparently they've been around for 4 years. And within, it's what's in your crate, and it gives a list of their 3 packages. They have a mini, an original, and then the premium. The premium is the one I get because the medium includes everything that's in the original and the mini, plus adds a couple of more things. So if you just want a tiny taste, you get this little baby. If you just want to get, you know, a nice decent sampling, you'll go for the original. But if you want to go all in, it's this one, the premium, which for some reason usually contains something extra like a drink or a coffee drink or even a soda that is with a combination that's unheard of here in the States, which I love. The Japan crate is about snacks, that everyday snacks that get sold at the street corners, at the groceries, everyday food that they see every day in Japan, similar to like what we find here in the US in our little grocery stores and bodegas. They show a cute little evolution of the Japan crate and how much it has grown since its modest beginnings. I do have prior unboxings on Japan crate for the last 3-4 months. I shall post them here and here, and also include this as part of the series for Japan crate here on my channel. Crate has a great tagline on their box. It says experience Japan through candy. This is a candy box. It's a junk food box, so they'll have chips, soda, candy, sugar, and a lot of what tends to be like energizing pick-me-up types of snacks. It does a dual measure because it has sugar or caffeine. They seem to be very fond in Japan of having, you know, candies that or drinks and stuff that serve as pick-me-ups. Just as here in the US we tend to crave and enjoy and luxuriate in junk food. Okay, so I'm opening the box now. Now the fun part is going through what's in here, do what's in here. So I'm filming this a little differently. Normally I just show the stuff and then just keep it moving. But I'm gonna try to do this way. It's an experiment, let's see how it goes. Okay, so the first thing that I just pulled out of here, it's called the Ramoon Candy. Remember the classics with the Ramoon flavored hard candy? Ramoon is a staple Japanese sweet flavor. So it creates a retro candy tasting experience when made into a hard candy. Sometimes it's the simple things that make life so sweet. And it looks like it is in the shape of a soda bottle. I'm reading these as soon as I pull them out of the box. I'm opening this up first impressions so you see what's within at the same time as I do. Here is the Watermelon Hi-Chew. Isn't that great? This special edition Hi-Chew is flavored like juicy watermelon, and each chew even looks a little bit like one, with a green interior and a green exterior and red center. Take a bite of the last watermelons of the season. Okay, this one, you'll see the nice little dinosaurs there. This is called the Dinosaur Gummy Cola, and that pretty much explains itself. It's gummies in the shapes of dinosaurs. Next one is called a Chewing Strong Grape. Test your strength and stretch and chew these grape straw-like stripes. I don't know if you can see the strips in there. They're kind of like that. So I guess this is a challenge to the ones with strong teeth out there. The next little thing, this little cute little box, is called Chocobo Pachi Pachi. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. These are not your average chocolate. Each ball is packed with a fun crackling explosion like festive fireworks. Also be sure to check out the box's glow in the dark design. So I guess these are glow in the darks. And this little one is called the Piccola Peach Yogurt. This pack of Piccola comes in the unique flavor of peach yogurt. Enjoy the crispy cookie texture rolled with juicy peach flavor and blended with yogurt cream. So we do have something similar like this that we sell in America. There's different brands and some have chocolate or different fillings. And this one has peach. Moki Panda Anin Tofu. It's a popular character, this Moki Panda, with cheeks that are stretchy and squishy like Moki. This little panda has brought Moki jelly flavored like Anin tofu or almond tofu, a soft gelled dessert. You can eat these as is or put them on top of any celebratory pastries or sweets. Is the Gâteau Premium Chocolate Cookie. Sink your teeth into this cookie's rich chocolate flavored, packed with delicious chocolate chips. Pair this with your favorite tea or coffee. This, I'm pronouncing it right, Mugipon or Mugipon milk coffee. Why not enjoy coffee and cereal together? These wheat puffs are flavored with a milk coffee coating and taste good plain or with some milk. This is called Karibori. Karibori might seem like a cola and grape chew, but it's actually a crispy wafer. The crunchy snack captures the flavor of soda candy in a biscuit-like texture, the best of both worlds. Look at this cute little chewy little thing. It has Winnie the Pooh and Eeyore. Isn't that cute? I wonder if this is a tie-in to the Christopher Robin movie, which from what I understand is coming out soon. This marshmallow is as soft and fluffy as Pooh Bear. Each are filled with a light strawberry cream. Okay, now we're talking chips. These are the Zuzu Yizu lemon salt potato chips. Interesting. To celebrate our anniversary, we want to give you the best of the best. This flavor of chip was voted the #1 flavor in Japan, and that's pretty good. So this is the #1 brand flavor that the Japanese people wanted to try. So we wanted to make sure that you didn't miss out on the chance to try this. This is what they're writing here in Japan Crate. So that's pretty sweet. Additionally, the chips are extra crispy thanks to a special frying process. So imagine lemon salt potato chips. And in every box, especially the premium box, they always try to put in a special candy DIY, a candy do-it-yourself that you could put together. And this one's no exception. This is the Petite Sherbet DIY. Celebrate by making your own mini sherbet. Oh, with this kit, you can make adorable 3-layer sherbet treats. See the rest of our booklet for instructions on how to make it yourself. See? And this little baby with the little sticks like appearance here, this is called Usagi Mambo. This Dagashi Shop classic blends hard candy with the refreshing taste of ramen. See them? Like the wrap. This is a little gimmicky, but this is the Cracking Panic Cola. This little cola bites will make your mouth feel like a party. So they're sort of like, what are those candies that came out that they crack in your mouth, like Pop Rocks? This is similar to Pop Rocks for the US version. They're sure to make your mouth tingly with a fizzy sensation, so that's pretty much right. We have another sherbet here. This is the Sherbet Pelo Cider, Pelo, P-E-L-O. This candy is like Fun Dip, but in Japanese ramen flavor. Dip the candy stick that's in here into the powder and enjoy that extra kick of flavor. All right. This looks fairly interesting. It's almost like a cracker baby, and I see pineapples on there. So this is the Toko Natsu Sable. Typically this sable cookie comes in the coconut flavor, but this special pack features a blend of coconut and pineapple for a refreshing tea snack. So these are like the tea cookies, those plain little cookies that you probably had as a kid. This is in pineapple coconut flavor. Okay, what I've been waiting for, last but certainly not least, this is the Gabonomi, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Gabonomi Zunda Cream Soda. Zunda is a special paste made from edamame. Interesting. This soda is a blend of Zunda with cream soda to create the unique taste of Zunda Daifuku, a specialty from Sendai, Japan. Wow. Again, this is not something you would find in your typical store here in the US, or at least on a regular street. You would have to probably go to specialty stores. But this, I'm definitely gonna try. And that's it. My box is finished. That was a lot of stuff. Don't you agree? For a premium box, it better be. I can't wait to try out everything in this box. Sherbet seems to be one of the main players' themes in this month's box. So I'm really interested to really delve in here and taste the stuff out. Some of the things that they give about what's happening in Japan, which I also find interesting. There's a Sumo Tokyo Basho, September 9th to the 23rd, 2018. Apparently it's a grand tournament that happens around mid-September in Japan, and you may want to check that out. There's a Tokyo Game Show, September 20th to the 23rd. It's one of the biggest gaming events around the globe. Apparently that's a big deal as well, obviously. And then to learn some Japanese in here, they have Aiki, which is autumn, Koyu, which means leaves changing color, And then finally, let's see if I get this one. Soto wa totemo samui desu, which means it's so cold outside. I love the little things that they put in this box, and this is so adorable. And they even give the instruction for one of the DIY candy right here. So, and it's in English for those of us who are not fluent in Japanese.
Great.
So far I've been thrilled. I think I've been with them for at least 5-6 months now, and each box just gets better and better. Again, I will post their pricings below, as well as the link to Japan Crate below, in case you are interested in testing out maybe the mini for starters for you. And again, this comes out once a month. This is Dawn Michelle from Makeup or Breakup. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest non-makeup adventure, foodie adventure, and I hope to see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.